Hello guys, this is Deepak Sudhar and you're welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. So friends, in this video today we are going to discuss about some MCQs, around 100 of the subject Indian literature in English translation. These MCQs are really very important for HNGU online examination as well as NET SLATE examination. So this is core compulsory 608 semester 6 BA English literatures questions. So if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification from our videos. And important thing, if you have not visited yet our channel and playlist, please visit it. We have uploaded lots of videos related to BA, BCom, BSc, MSc, and also there are lots of streams of post-graduation. In this video, we are going to discuss about short questions, means MCQ questions of the subject Indian literature in English translation, semester 6 BA. Now let's get started. First question. वो translated Vijay Tendulkar शांतता कोर्ट चालुआ है in English. So the answer is Priya Adarkar in 1967. Who translated Priya Adarkar? In which year? 1967. Next question. Which work is the play Silence the Court is in Session based on? So the answer is the play Silence the Court is in Session is based on Swiss writer Friedrich Dürrenmatt's Die Pen. These are the short questions are related to MCQs. So in MCQs, these questions can be asked. Third question. Which institutions does the amateur group belong to in the play Silence? So the answer of the question is the Sondar Moti Tenement Bombay Progressive Association. So this is the group. Next question. On whose trial would the amateur group stage a play? Answer is the American President Lyndon B. Johnson on charge of producing atomic weapons and encouraging the nuclear race. Next question number 5. Who is the protagonist of the play Silence the Court is in Session? So the answer is Miss Lina Benare. So Miss Lina Benare is the protagonist of the play The Court is in Session. Next question. Which picture of God is hung on the door of the hall in the play Silence the Court is in Session? So the answer is the picture of Lord Ganesha. Next question. Who is a briefless lawyer according to Miss Benare? So the answer is Sukhatme. So Sukhatme is a briefless lawyer according to Miss Benare. Who is prime objective according to Miss Benare? Mr. Kashikar, the chairman of the group. Mr. Kashikar, a chairman of the group. Next question. Whose adopted son is Balu Rukde? So the answer is Mr. and Mrs. Kashikar. Mr. and Mrs. Kashikar. Next question. Who is Mrs. Hand that rocks the cradles according to Miss Benare? So the answer is Mrs. Kashikar is Mrs. Hands that rocks the cradle according to Miss Benare. Next question. How many acts are there in the play The Court is in Session? Silence the Court is in Session. So there are 3 acts in the play Silence the Court is in Session. Next question. What is the original title of the play Silence the Court is in Session written in Marathi language? So the answer is Shantata Court Chalu Hai in 1963 in Marathi. शांतता कोर्ट चालू आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी एक्टर्स अराइव at the hall to the stage the play? So the answer is 7 actors arrive at the hall to stage the play, to perform the play. Next question, who is the local person in the play? Silence, the court is in session. So the answer is Rakhu Samant. Next question, what are the charges against Miss Benare in mock trial? So what are the charges? Infanticide and unwed motherhood. Infanticide and unwed motherhood is the charge against Miss Benare in mock trial. Next question, who escorts the group members from the railway station to the hall? So the answer is a local person, Rakhu Samant, escorted the group members from the railway station to the hall. Next question, who becomes the judge in mock trial? So the answer is Mr. Kashikar becomes the judge in mock trial. Next question, what does Samant have in his hand when he appears first time? So the answer is a toy parrot and a book. Next question, what is the title of the English translation of Pinjar and who is the translator? So the answer is Amrita Pritam's Punjabi novel Pinjar was translated in English by Khushwant Singh in 1950 under the title The Skeleton in English. So mainly it is originally written in Punjabi language, in Punjabi novel by Amrita Pritam as a title Pinjar, but afterwards it was translated by Khushwant Singh in 1950 and the title was given by him, The Skeleton. Okay, now if you want to read this novel, you have to search out The Skeleton if you want to read in English only, and if you want to read it in Punjabi language, then you can search out that is Pinjar by Amrita Pritam. Okay, it is there is also movie, you can find Pinjar. Now let us see next question, what is the name of Ramchand's village? So the Ramchand's village name is Raktowal is the name of Ramchand's village. Next question, who are the parents of Puro? So the answer is Puro's mother name is Tara and her father name is Mohanlal. So Tara and Mohanlal are her parents. Whose family belong a Shahukar family? So the answer is Puro's family belong to Shahukar family. Next question, what is the name of Puro's younger sister and brother? So the answer is Rajo is Puro's younger sister and Trilok is Puro's 12-year-old younger brother. Next question, who is Lajo? Lajo is Ramchand's younger sister. Now understand the difference. Lajo is Ramchand's younger sister. Okay, whereas Puro's younger sister was Rajo. Now Lajo is Ramchand's younger sister whose marriage is fixed with Puro's younger brother Trilok. Next question, who is Lajo's brother? So the answer is Ramchand is Lajo's brother. Who kidnapped Puro? Why? Rashida. So Rashida kidnapped Puro. A Muslim guy kidnaps Puro to take the revenge. Why? To take the revenge of family's ancestral dispute. Next question, what is the second name of Puro? What is the pen name or other name of Puro? Why? How it is came in existence? Puro's second name is Hamida. She was given this name by her husband Rashida after their nikah and she was converted into Muslim. The name Hamida was also inscribed on Puro's hand by Rashida. Next question. Who is Javed? Javed is the little son of Puro and Rashida. Next question. Whose baby was adopted by Hamida? Hamida adopted an insane woman's newborn baby. What is the name of Hamida's village? Shakkar is the name of the village of Hamida and Rashid. Who is kidnapped during partition riots? Ramchand's younger sister Lajo is kidnapped during partition riots. When was Amrita Pritam born and died? Amrita Pritam was born in 1919 and died in 2005. Next question. Which awards were conferred upon Amrita Pritam for her various works? So the answer is Amrita Pritam received Sahitya Akademi Award, Bharatiya Gyanpith Award, Punjab Ratna Award, Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan awards were confirmed upon Amrita Pritam for her various work. Next question. Name the central character of I Take This Woman. So the central character of I Take This Woman is Rano. She is wife of Tiloka. Next question. Who is the author of I Take This Woman and who translated it in English? So Rajinder Singh Bedi authored I Take This Woman, which was translated by Khushwant Singh. Next question. What is Tiloka's profession? Tiloka is an Ekka driver. Next question. Whom is Rano married? Answer. Rano is married to Tiloka, and after the death of Tiloka, she is taken by Mangal. Next question. Who is Jindan? Jindan is Rano's mother-in-law. What is the name of Rano's elder daughter? Answer. Wadi is Rano's elder daughter. Next question. These are very most Olympic questions of 608 paper. Who are Banti and Santi? Banti and Santi are twin sons of Rano and Tiloka. Next question. Who is the owner of a rest house? Chaudhary Mehraban Das is the owner of a rest house. Next question. Who is the brother of Chaudhary Mehraban Das? Answer. Ganisham Das is the brother of Chaudhary Mehraban Das. Next question. Who is Sarpanch of Kotla village? Gyan Chand is Sarpanch of Kotla village. Next question. Whose temple is situated in Kotla village? Goddess Vaishno Devi's temple is situated in Kotla village. Next question. What is the name of Rano's father-in-law? Answer. Hajur Singh is Rano's father-in-law. Next question. Who is Puran Devi? Puran Devi is a Brahmin woman and the wife of Gyan Chand. Next question. Who are Chano and Vidya? Chano and Vidya are Rano's friends and neighbors. Next question. Who raped and killed the girl? Answer. Chaudhary Mehraban Das, his brother Ganisham Das and hypocrite Baba Haridas raped and killed the girl. Next question. Who are Dabu and Vori? Answer. Dabu and Vori are the name of dogs. Next question. Who is Salamat? Answer. Salamat is one of the daughters of Jelum, a Muslim woman, and Mangal's lover. Next question. Who are Chano and Vidya? This is again repeated question. Chano and Vidya are Rano's friends and neighbors. Next question. Who raped and killed the girl? These are the again repeated questions. Let me keep it in short. Okay, next question. Question number 56. Who is ready to marry Vadi? Why is Rano reluctant to give her consent? The murderer of Sriloka and brother of deceased girl is ready to marry Vadi. Rano is reluctant to give her consent because she has recognized him as the murderer of her husband. Next question. What is the name of Rano's younger daughter? Answer. Chamo. Next question. Who are Nawab, Gurdas and Ismail? Nawab, Gurdas and Ismail are Rika drivers at Nasibwala, Tonga stand. Next question. How did Mangal marry Rano? Answer. As per the social custom, Mangal put a dirty sheet of cloth over the head of Rano in the presence of village heads and relatives. So that's how Mangal married Rano. Next question. When did Rajinder Singh Bedi join All India Radio? Answer. Rajinder Singh Bedi joined All India Radio in 1941. Next question. Name two films directed by Rajinder Singh Bedi. Answer. Rajinder Singh Bedi directed the films named Dastak, Fagun and Nawab Sahib. So these are the films are directed by Rajinder Singh Bedi. There are such names of his directed films. Next question. In which years Rajinder Singh Bedi won Filmfare Awards? Rajinder Singh Bedi won Filmfare Awards in 1959 and 1971. Next question. When was Bedi honored with Padma Shri Award and the Ghalib Award and the Sahitya Akademi Award? Bedi was honored with Padma Shri in 1972 and Ghalib Award in 1978, Sahitya Akademi Award in 1965. Next question. What is the genre of Fire and the Rain? It is play. It is a play. So what is the genre? So it is a play and it is written by Girish Karnad. What is the title of Amrita Pritam's autobiography? Rashidi Ticket means the revenue stamp, which was the autobiography of Amrita Pritam. Next question. How did Yaksha send the message to his wife? Yaksha sent the message through the cloud, means make, to his wife. Who is author of Gora? Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. Who is the author of the discovery of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In how many languages has Khosla, Marathi play 1963 been translated? 9 languages Khosla. In Hindi, Gujarati, Kannada, Assami, Punjabi, English, Bengali, Urdu, Orissa. So in this language Khosla has been translated. Next question. Which prime problem is discussed in Nirmala? The problem of dowry in India is discussed in Nirmala. A poor family's daughter Nirmala is forced to marry an old married man 20 years older than she is. Next question. How many poems are there in Tagore's Gitanjali, originally written in Bengali language and its translated version in English? There is a collection of 157 poems in Tagore's Gitanjali, originally written in Bengali language, and a collection of 103 poems in its translated version in English. Who wrote My Experiments with Truth? Who wrote? M.K. Gandhi. Gandhi ji. Next question. Who wrote My Experiments Truth? Again same question. M.K. Gandhi. Meghdut is written in which meter? So it is written in Mandakranta. Meghdut contains stanza. How many stanza? 111. Next question. Who is the messenger in Meghdut? The cloud is the messenger in Meghdut. How many poems are there in Bengali collection of Gitanjali? We have seen these questions, so hope so you are aware about the answer. 157 poems are there in Gitanjali collection of Gitanjali Bengali collection. Next question. How many poems are there in English collection of Gitanjali? 103 poems. Next question. How many books and cantos are there in Savitri? There are 12 books and 49 cantos in Savitri. Who translated the story of My Experiments with Truth in English? Mahadev Desai translated the story of My Experiment with Truth in English. Next question. Who wrote Aadhe Adhure, Halfway House? Answer is Mohan Rakesh. Next question. Who translated Joseph McWa's Angaliyat in English title The Stepchild? Rita Kothari. Next question. Who translated Tagore's Gora in English? Sujit Mukherjee translated Tagore's Gora in English. What is the genre of Gora? Novel. Gora is novel. So the question can be like this. What type of Gora is? So it is a novel. Okay. What is the form of Gora? So it is novel. Again, you have to select this answer. Well, if there is MCQs. Okay. 85. Who translated Kapadiya's Sat Kundnika Kapadiya's Sat Pagla Akashma in English? What is its title? Kunjbala and William Anthony. And the title of this play is Seven Shapes in the Sky. Who wrote Samskara? You are Ananthamurthy. Ananthamurthy is the who has written the play Samskara. Who translated Ananthamurthy's Samskara in English? A.K. Ramanujan. Next question. Who wrote Nirmala? Munshi Premchand wrote Nirmala. Next question. Who translated Nirmala in English? What is its title? David Rubin translated Nirmala in English and the title is The Second Wife. Who is the author of Godan? Munshi Premchand is the author of Godan. So friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of our video. And follow us on different sites like Facebook, our WhatsApp group, Telegram group, so that you can get material and recent updates from our channel. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Share with your friends so that it is helpful for them as well. Okay, so we will meet in our next video. If you like this video, please do comment so that we can know that are you really eager to learn more questions or not. Okay friends, bye bye, take care.